Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean these minerals and dirt and stains deposited here in the sink. So I'm just going to use my chemical, the Lime Out. I got this from store, Walmart, Canadian Tire. So we'll just pour out, first we need to rinse the sink. Rinse all over sink, wet it, and then we'll apply the Lime Out all over the sink. So make sure it covers all the space here, the handle, faucets, okay, and all over this sink. And then after we apply, let's just leave it for 1 hour. So guys, I just pour out and soak it in Lime Out chemical, and you see it's just a couple of minutes, and now you can see all the lime is getting off from the faucet. That's how strong the Lime Out is. And then next is I need to top up with the Iron Out. So I need to spray this also on the sink just to help out on cleaning together with the Lime Out. Okay. Then pour out some baking soda. You see how dirty is the deposit is. Those are a couple of years mineral deposit and stains on the faucet and on the sink. So we'll clean it with the chemical I use, Lime Out and Iron Out. And you see how dirty the bathtub is. All those deposit stains, dirt, minerals, it's scums. It's been there for a couple of years now. So let's try to clean it with my powerful chemical. So guys, you see the tub, how dirty it is. The couple of years lime deposits, minerals, it's in there, scums, and also stains is inside the tub. I need to clean it with this chemical, the Iron Out and the Lime Out. These two are powerful chemicals to clean all those dirt deposit. And also with the help of this soda cleaner, the baking soda brand is Arm & Hammer baking soda. So I'm just gonna use this also to clean the tub. And come on, join me in my video. I'll show you how it does. So you see those all scum stains, all the dirt. Let's pour out with this chemical, and let's see how it works. And all over the this butt. Let's pour all those heavy area, heavy dirt. See, also any handles. You see how chemical how reacts to the minerals and stain. So, and then let's just wait for an hour, and let's soak it for hours so chemical will work properly. And next is the Iron Out. I need to spray all over this dirty bath. So here's the washroom now. It's done. I hope you like it. So please subscribe in our channel, Bestclean Canada. And just subscribe to our channel, Bestclean Canada, and see you in our next video. Thank you.